Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make beef tikka boti, but first I'm going to show you all the ingredients which I'm gonna be using to make our tikka boti. Here we got boneless meat. You have to cut in cubes, as you can see mine. And if you come this side, we got our vegetables. We'll need vegetables as well. Here's red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and we need also one onion. And there we got oil. I will need oil also. And here we got chicken tikka marinade. I just love aroma of this sauce. So if you come this side, we got our spices. This is the salt. Here is a chili powder. This is a cumin powder, and this is a coriander powder, and here is barbecue spice. So here we got our lemon, we got our skews, and there we got our ginger and garlic paste. So now I'm going to cut the vegetables first. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by cutting my onion, which I already peel and wash, and I'm going to try to make it same size. It don't have to be like exactly same size, but I love when it's same size as my meat. So yeah, we don't need too much, just a little bit. It's depending of how much meat you are making. So this quantity, it will be fine for me. And yeah, I'm going to be continue cutting the rest of the vegetable as well. And yeah guys, so let's do it. It's two reasons why I love to add this kind of vegetables in my tikka. Number one, it's because it looks so beautiful. I love the colors of all the vegetables together. And number two, it gives also a nice taste in the meat. So I'm done with the cutting the vegetables. Now I just wash my meat. I washed before I start with the cutting the vegetables, and I let it dry nicely in the strainer. So yeah, that's what we have to do guys. If you want to make this recipe, make sure your meat is clean and you dry all the excess water before adding the spices. So all the spices which I'm using here, I put it on the screen, as you guys can see all the measurements, and also you're gonna check on the description. I will put also, so it's gonna be easy for you guys to follow if you want to try this recipe. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to mix it well and bring all the flavors together. So guys, as you can see, the meat has another color here. It's because I add a pinch of egg yellow color. And yeah, I almost forget my ginger and garlic paste guys, so I'm adding that also. I'm going to give a quick mix just to bring everything together again, because the garlic is not there, so I have to mix it well to, you know, so that it can get into the meat. And yeah, now I'm just covering with the plastic wrap and allow to marinate for about 1 hour. Okay, so after 1 hour, now I'm going to transfer this into foil paper and give steam, because I want my tikka to be juicy and stay shiny. So if you're going to straight grill like this, the beef sometimes takes long to cook, and if you're gonna grill like this, it's possible not to get soft. So I'm going to give steam first, and then I'm going to grill it. Okay, now I'm going to give steam for about 30 minutes or until the meat is like 60 to 70% done. Okay, the meat is 50% done. Now I'm going to let it cool down completely before I even touch it. After the meat is cold, I'm going to skew with the vegetables. Do not forget vegetables. And I'm sorry guys, I can't even show nicely what I'm doing there, but I'm just putting the meat first, and the vegetable can be onion or any other peppers. Just mix it everything in one skew, and yeah, until you're done. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. So now I'm going to take the soup which I removed from the meat and brush that on top of meat, and then I'm going to bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes and remove from the oven, and then I'm going to brush again the same soup. So you have to do this um until your meat is done. So this is the first step. So I bake it for about 10-15 minutes, and then now I'm flipping over. I'm going to brush again the same sauce, the soup which I removed from the meat, and put it back in the oven, bake for 15 minutes, and keep repeating the steps until you see your meat is nice and golden. Okay guys, so our tikka is done and it's looking so yummy guys. Oh my goodness, look, that brownish is just, and with all the vegetables, it's taking this tikka in other level guys. It's so yummy. The smell is so beautifully, oh, I can't even explain. Anyways guys, if you did like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Comment down below and share your ideas as well. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's why I choose you. You're the one.